Hey there! Today we're designing a custom baseball jersey for Thacker, a new member of the Samantha team. First, as always, they choose this style of jersey. This is their logo. Lions are always fierce and invincible, right? Okay, let's go! Cut according to the design pattern. I choose this moisture-wicking fabric for them. It's really soft, isn't it? Make the jersey fit perfectly. Now, the prototype of the jersey has appeared. Every detail needs to be perfect. Accessories are really important too. Design his name and numbers separately. This is Thacker's exclusive. I can't wait to see him wearing this outfit to play baseball. Perfect! Play like a champion today. Now, go find your owner.